Hi, did you order a Lyft?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, what's your name?
Vanessa?
Okay, yeah, come on in. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good, good. Hey, you know what? I canceled the ride and I was wondering...
Why'd you cancel the ride?
Cause my card is messing up. Can I pay you in cash instead?
No. I don't do that. I don't do cash rides.
Please, please. I really need this.
You need what? What do you mean?
I need this ride.
Okay, where are you going? I don't even know where you're going.
It's like 45 minutes from here.
No. We're not.
Please, I'll give you cash, right now. Look.
Why do you have so much money? What? You're gonna give me all this money?
Yeah, I just really need to get there.
Are you famous or something?
Possibly.
This is fake money.
No, it's real.
This is literally fake. It says promotion. Get out of here. This is fake.
No.
Get out. This is too much of my time already. Just get out.
Please.
Leave my car.
On Instagram. I'll do anything. We could, I'm famous on TikTok. I could collab.
I don't care. I don't care about you guys at all. I don't even use the internet, so please leave. There's too many haters out there.